Hi, my name is Cooper. I am doing this for Mr. Beard's 9th grade chemistry class. I am doing artificial muscles. The people who use artificial muscles mainly use it to design robots to mimic the muscle movements of humans so that the robots can be as precise and accurate as humans. But as of right now, it has been only used on a couple people just to restore the control of their eyelids and blinking. And surgeons have demonstrated that the use of artificial muscles to control eyelids and restoring the ability to blink for those suffering from facial paralysis. And scientists at the Medical Center of the University of California used a technique that employs a combination of electrode leads and silicone polymers to activate the synthetic muscles, and the development could potentially pave the way for the use of synthetic muscles to control other parts of the body. What does it do? The most powerful type of shorted fuel cell muscles, they convert chemical energy into heat, causing a special shape memory metal alloy to contract. Turning down the heat allows the muscle to relax, like shown in the picture. And lab tests showed that these devices have a lifting strength of more than 100 times than that of a normal skeletal muscle. Another kind of muscle is being developed by the team converting chemical energy in electrical energy, which caused a material made from carbon nanotube electrodes to bend. When will we be able to use it? Right now, humans use it in robots and machines to do very precise movements to kind of like take over the jobs of what humans can do and mimic humans. But right now they've used it to replace muscles in the eyebrow so people can blink for people with facial paralysis. But in the future we might be able to use it for things such as arm movement and people who have gotten limbs blown off and stuff like that. Where in our bodies does it go? It usually goes where the original non-working muscle was originally. Like shown here, this guy had facial paralysis and he couldn't blink his eyes, so he put the muscle where the other muscle was so he could blink his eyes. But people are working on prosthetics, such as shown here, that can act like a normal limb and can be controlled by people nerve endings for people who don't have like arms and stuff like that. Right now we use it to get robots to be more precise and accurate like human movements, but could possibly be used in the future for patients who suffer from combat-related injuries, stroke, nerve injuries, or partial paralysis by replacing those muscles with the synthetic ones, or creating prosthetics that can act with your nerve endings to move how you want them to and act how you want them to. How does it work? The most powerful type is shortened fuel cell muscles, which is right here. They convert chemical energy into heat, causing a special shape memory metal alloy to contract, which is like flexing the muscle and then not flexing it. Turning down the heat allows the muscle to relax, and not putting as much heat or no heat tends to contract it. They're also having things with aerogels and carbon nanomaterials, which also use somewhere around the same structure, but aren't similar. That concludes my report on synthetic muscles. Thank you.